If you don't like high energy costs but still want to mine Bitcoin, Iceland's renewable energy is your golden ticket. First up, set up a legal entity. You'll need to establish a company in Iceland and comply with local regulations. Next, secure a power supply. Negotiate a power purchase agreement with an Icelandic energy provider. This part is crucial given Bitcoin mining's high energy consumption. Now choose a mining location. Look for a spot close to power sources with good cooling options. Remember, Iceland's cool climate is your friend here. Then acquire mining hardware. You'll need specialized ASIC miners designed for Bitcoin mining. Implement a cooling system to handle the heat. Finally, connect to the Bitcoin network. Configure your hardware and start mining. Remember to manage and maintain your operation, keeping an eye on performance and technical issues. And don't forget the bigger picture. Consider environmental impacts, stay competitive, and keep up with regulations. Do your homework and consult experts.